In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add at the bottom and click on any contact you wish to add. After adding each one, you need to decide if you wish to notify this contact that it became your emergency one by selecting OK or Cancel in the pop-up. Then tap on Add Contact and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to remove any contacts from your list, click on this button at the top right corner and use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of. Then hit Remove and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!